BHP increased the all-share bid by 15%. Still no deal. What's sort of the sticking point here, and what does the board want?
So the board last night, the Anglo board last night responded to BHP's offer of $43 billion by saying that it significantly undervalued the company and its future prospects. Specifically of concern to the Anglo board has been the structure of the deal. The structure would require Anglo American to spin off its Amplat's Platinum Group Metals business and its Kumba iron ore project. Management have spoken to shareholders within Anglo American, and they are under a lot of pressure to add value back to the company. Anglo American for some time has failed to keep up with its peers, including Glencore and BHP, Rio Tinto and the likes.
And Anglo, of course, is under a lot of pressure to explain how it's going to create more value than simply selling it to its rivals. So we do understand we're going to get more details on that then.
Yeah, so it was last year when Anglo American's board launched a formal review into its internal assets and its future strategy. Of course, a strategic review is usually the precursor to divestments or spin-offs themselves. However, Anglo shareholders have been largely left in the dark well, ever since that strategic review was launched. Overnight, the company said it would suddenly release the results of that strategic review. So they've really been scrambling to present shareholders with an option of growth and promising that there's going to be value in the future. I mean, the copper business alone will be a significant asset as the world transitions. It's a key metal for the energy transition, and that's why BHP is so keen to get its hands on it. There are a few things that Anglo's board could do. The first is the polyhalite fertiliser project. I mean, that's a $9 billion project, and it is eating up a lot of money. So in terms of expenditure, that's an option to either slow down that project or find a joint venture partner for it as soon as possible. There are two other assets, of course. One is De Beers, the diamond business that has been struggling for quite some time, and the Amplat's business too. So we wait to see what the strategic review that is coming out later today actually says and whether it can add value to Anglo American's shareholders.